Hello and welcome to Coach's Corner, a collaboration between Real Coaching and Leaders Edge Coaching. You know, success all starts with the circle of coaching success, this idea, this notion that a Coldwell banker, no matter where you are in your business today, there are good, meaningful resources that can help you get where you want to go in the business. I'm Chris Mygatt. I'm with Leaders Edge Coaching, and it's a pleasure to be here all of a sudden right in the middle of your sales meeting, or quite frankly, wherever you happen to be. At Leaders Edge, we focus on three things. First of all, we want to empower agents to be able to, quite frankly, make more money in the business, or two, possibly take more control of their life, become more efficient, become more effective. Or number three, simply find the fun in the business, right? Find that deeper satisfaction in this career. Those are the three things we're really good at. Now, you and I both know there are a lot of options when it comes to third-party coaching companies. So the question has to be asked, what is it that makes Leaders Edge so different from all of the others? Well, it starts out with this idea, this notion that we actually listen to what you need, and we deliver programs that deliver on that need and that requirement. Second of all, we have over a 20-year history of providing resources and tools to help create success in the agents at Coldwell Banker. Number three, our coaches are absolutely amazing. They're highly experienced, they're highly trained, years of experience in the real estate business, helping people just like you reach the goals you've set forth. And the fourth thing is we understand your tools and we understand your systems and your programs and your culture. And we can weave all of that into your future success in the business. Now, at Leaders Edge, we deliver three different programs. One is called Leaders Weekly. It's a group coaching format. Second thing is called Jumpstart Coaching. And the third program we offer is that traditional one-on-one coaching platform. But today, I want to take a couple minutes and outline the Leaders Weekly program. It truly is the pathway to success in the real estate business. It's affordable, it's accessible, and it's quite frankly packed full of great resources and tools to help you become more successful. Here's how it works. We meet every single week live, Mondays at noon Eastern Time. The program is hosted by myself and Master Sales Trainer Chris Leader. We always deliver timely, relevant information to help you become as successful as you can be. These programs are professionally produced, so it's high quality, good information. And lastly, we are thrilled to be able to invite somebody every single month, the first Monday of every month, we're bringing in a guest real estate expert to share maybe a different perspective about the business. This keeps the program fresh and interesting every single session. Now, here's how it works. Every week, the first 30 minutes we use specifically to deliver content, to deliver strategies and ways for you to become more successful in the business, real learning opportunities. Then we dedicate the entire second half of the program to answering your questions. Yes, a national Q&A. Ask a question, we'll give you the best answer we possibly can. Now, a lot of people go, oh my gosh, I can't do Mondays at noon. What am I going to do? Don't worry, we record the session. It's available to you for the entire week until our next live program comes out. Now, every week, we cover one of four different areas. We're either talking about lead generation, right? How to be able to build your client base. Or we're talking about sales skills to help you close more deals. Or we're talking about how to stay motivated and inspired in this business. Or the fourth thing we talk about, again, once a month, every month, it's the structure of your business. How do we help you work more effectively? How do we help you work more efficiently to reach the goals you've set forth? The price of the program is $49 a month. It is a subscription. There is no long-term commitment. Stay in as long as you're getting value. But it's even better because at Coldwell Banker, the price is only $39 and you get a full 30-day free trial. So I encourage all of you, jump into CB University, get signed up. Quite frankly, take us for a test drive. See if Leaders Weekly is that resource that helps you stay focused, that helps you stay on track every single week. That is when the magic begins to happen. Now, the story is best told by the people that join us every single week. And we certainly hope you're one of those people that joins us this coming Monday. I'm going to kick it back over to your manager right now to answer any questions you might have about Leaders Weekly. But again, you can get more information. You can get signed up at CB University. It's super simple. And again, take it for a test drive. See if it fits in your business plan. I'm quite confident it will, and I look forward to seeing you this coming Monday at noon Eastern Time on Leaders Weekly.